the land of Benjamin. Benjamin also came. This we forgot that he was also son of Joseph. So many sons of Joseph are there. For them also, land they are going to distribute among themselves. Only importance we have given so far to Ephraim and Manasseh. But these people are also coming. All the tribe, whatever born to Jacob, to them it's coming there. The land of Benjamin. Now the lot of the tribe of the children of Benjamin came up according to their families and the territory of their lot came out between the children of Judah and the children of Joseph. Their border on the north side began at the Jordan, and the border went up to the side of Jericho on the north, and went up through the mountain westward. It ended at the wilderness of Beth-aven. The border went over from there toward Luz to the side of the Luz, which is Bethel southward, and the border descended to Ataroth Adar near the hill that lies on the south side of Lower Beth Horon. Then the border extended from there around the west side to the south from the hill that lies before Beth Horon southward, and it ended at the Kirjath Baal, which is that Kirjath Jearim, a city of the children of Judah. This was the west side. The south side began at the end of the Kirjath Jearim, and the border extended on the west end, went out to the spring of the waters of Nephor. Then the border came down to the end of the mountain that lies before the valley of Shan Hinnom, which is in the valley of Zebedem on the north, the descendant of the valley of Hinnom to the side of Jebusites on the south, and the descendants to Enrogel. And it went around from the north, went out to En-Shemesh, and extended northward Gilgoth, which is before the ascent of Adumim, and the descendant to the stone of Bohan, the son of Reuben. Then it passed along toward the north side of Arba, and went down to Arba, and the border passed along to the north side of Beth Hogla. Then the border went at the north there at the Salt Sea, at the south ended of the Jordan. This was the southern boundary. The Jordan was its border on the east side. This was the inheritance of the children of Benjamin, according to its boundaries all around, according to their families. Now the cities of the tribe of the children of Benjamin, according to their families, were Jericho, Beth Hogla, Emekkisis, Beth Arba, Jairim, Bethel, Avim, Para, Opra, Keper, Hanoni, Honi, Opihini, and Gaba, 12 cities with their villages, Gibeon, Rabbah, Bethor, Mizpah, Kirjath, Moza, Rekem, April, Taraz, La, Epel, Jebus, which is Jerusalem, Gibetet, Kirjath, 14 cities with their villages.